Welcome to this radio channel, and a little earlier, I sometimes post it on Thursday, but we're Wednesday, and let's take a look at what's going to happen in the solar activity and propagation for the end of this week, July, 4th, 5th, 6th, and of course the weekend of 7th and 8th of July. So it's going to be interesting to see what's coming up. So, what's happening is we are still in this kind of unsettled coronal hole winds. But you see that the coronal hole, sometimes we show you coronal holes that are really huge and that actually spur a lot of wind. This one is kind of broken into different little parts here. So we have like little peaks of solar wind, but as of yet, they've not been able to actually make any impact really on the geomagnetic field. So let's cross our fingers it continues like that, and that for the next few days we won't have that much. There is a bigger hole here that might affect us for the end of the week, but for now, let's cross our fingers. If we look at the solarham.net website, K-index, you can see that the K-index in the past few days stayed pretty much below 2, and most of the time being at 1 and even 0, which means good propagation, honestly, because I've been listening, off and on for the past few days. Propagation is superb. Yeah, higher frequencies are unfortunately not as good for a simple reason. There's no sunspots. Solar flux is at 68, it's staying really, really low. But yet, the fact that there's no unsettled conditions means that we are still enjoying some good propagation. And, the evenings have been great here. I've been listening to tons of signals, and it's just crazy. Yesterday, around 0400, I was listening to the 40-meter band. And it's interesting because there were tons of European signals, really strong signals too, from Europe around 04, 0500, people waking up early to kind of DX. And it was very, very, very nice. Today, 4th of July, of course, is going to be interesting. There was probably more activity, maybe some special event stations. Look for pirate stations today, 4th of July. Also, there was quite a few yesterday that actually broadcast. And as the week goes by, well, I think we'll enjoy probably some decent propagation. Let's hope that the geomagnetic field isn't too affected by the solar wind, from the little solar wind gusts that we might have. Once again, I want to remind everybody to always check the upper bands, 10 meters, 11 meters CB band, because it's time in North America for our northern hemisphere for sporadic e-skip. I see tons of reports of Europe and North America of sporadic e-skip happening everywhere. So don't forget about that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.